We've all heard the advice, just fake it till you make it. It sounds good. It promises that if you pretend to be brave, you'll eventually feel brave. But you see, there's a problem. When you wear a mask to get a win, your brain doesn't think you won, it thinks the mask won. And that just makes you feel like a fraud. Hi, I'm Elaina Kelly Smith, and I'm here to share that self-trust isn't a magic trick. And you can't build trust with someone who lies to you, right? Even if that person is yourself. Faking it is just another way of living on remote control. It forces you to ignore your body's symbols and signals. In my PARQS compass, the A stands for awareness, as in noticing where you are in the map right now. If your heart is racing, don't tell yourself, be fearless. Tell yourself the truth. Of course I'm nervous. This matters to me. So instead of faking a feeling, let's look at the proof. The next time you feel like a fraud, find one brick, one real thing you've actually done before that proves you can handle this. For example, for me, it was a hard conversation I had with a family member. I chose to speak up for myself. I shared what mattered to me, why, and where my boundaries are. Believe me, it wasn't easy, but I did it. That is a real brick in my foundation. Maybe in your own situation, you found that you handled a tough project or figured out a problem everyone else gave up on. That isn't a wish, it's proof. So here's my golden nugget for you today. Before your next big moment, write your brick on a small piece of paper and slip it into your shoe, like this. Feel the paper under your foot. It's a physical reminder that you aren't faking anything. You are literally standing on the facts. You don't need to be fearless to take the next step. You just need to be self-loyal. Lay one brick, then another. That is a foundation you can actually stand on. If you're ready to put down the mask and start laying real bricks, I have a tool for you. Download my free PARQS First Steps Kit. It focuses on micro practices to help you stay honest with where you are. The link is in the description. I encourage you to put down the mask, and when you do so, you may notice your inner critic getting louder. In the next video, I'll show you how to turn that critic into a coach. I'll see you there.